me like this and you're wondering like what is going on. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys like what's been going on here, because the room is not the way it was initially. Like, guys, see. Hey guys, see luggages. We're still packing. It's not just this room, all the other students from the other room, they're also packing as well. I heard from my roommates that the timing is 6 a.m. so yes, fingers crossed. For now, let me just style my hair. Love for YouTube channel.
Oh!
Yeah. Priya, come and show your face. Yay! Are you happy that we are
Yes,
changing?
we are very happy to go to our new hostel.
I'm also black also.
Yay! Same change. So yeah. Hey,
Wait for Amala.
Madi. Yeah, that's true. I just heard that there is washing machine in the new hostel.
Yes, we are very happy.
I cannot wait. Aw, it's not that clear. Yeah. I think now it's clear, yeah?
Yeah.
Priya, why did you wear sari?
Tomorrow I'm going to new hostel.
Okay.
Make memories. No, for torturing me.
That's why.
So crazy.
Updates. See Priya's corner. Show your face. Okay guys, I'm done with my hair. How do I look?
You look very beautiful, Tracy.
Thank you, my love. Guys, please don't laugh at us. This is the update. We're still packing. Hostel life, guys. Hostel life. Cup noodles.
Yes.
We can't cook here, so this is the only option that we have. This girl right here is still packing.
Show your face.
Show you. Yeah, so
I'm eating chips.
she's having chips.
I'm packing the things.
And she's, when we are done, I will show you guys like later on. So
Bye.
you should say subscribe, not bye.
Subscribe our channel. Stay tuned for next concept.
She subscribed, so
Bye, guys.
you say subscribe.
Guys, don't forget to subscribe the channel.
Yeah, you've heard, guys. They asked you to subscribe. So if you've not done that, click on the red button down here, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, just so you don't miss out each time I upload a new
Okay,
video.
bye.
I'm ready. I just freshened up, changed. I'm ready actually, but I think at this point that if I don't wake my roommates, they probably will not wake up. This is it's almost 5:30, and we have just 30 minutes to report downstairs. I'm just noticing students, moving, packing their luggages, and all that. So yeah, I went actually towards the lift. See luggages, guys. Whoa, the lift is already full. I should go wake my roommates. Priya, it's almost time. It's almost 5:30. Wake up. My roomie is sweeping. By the way, I don't think the bus has not come yet. Wow, so nice, Maddie. Yeah, show your face. I'm so very tired. The very fact that there's washing machine here, amazing.